We got to our first class 3 drop, scouted it, watched others flop. My heart was beating like a drum. Niagara Falls, here I come. I found the chute, perfect entry. Forgot how to brace, but not how to swim. I was about half-starved when we stopped for lunch, right beside a scraggly bunch of local folks who were camped out near. Their necks were red and they sure liked beer. They looked at us funny, and they looked real mean. I wish I'd never seen Deliverance. We finally reached the table.